Hotels represent the most pleasurable and amusing aspects of travel for leisure travelers, a chance to be pampered, indulged, and distracted from the stresses of daily life. Anyone who works in the hotel industry knows that establishing such a welcoming atmosphere takes a lot of effort, long hours, and dedication. However, hotel employees should never lose sight of the lighter side of the industry, both to stay motivated and to keep perspective on what makes this such a unique industry. Here are 10 interesting facts to share with coworkers or visitors. 1. It's unlikely that hotel visitors in the United States began stealing bath items before 1829, when the Tremont House in Boston opened. It is also said to be the first in the United States to offer complimentary soap, lockable guest room doors, and indoor plumbing. The hotel collapsed in 1894 after hosting guests such as President Andrew Jackson, Charles Dickens, and Davy Crockett. 2. The McHotel existed. Urs Hammer, chairman of McDonald's Switzerland, opened 2 Golden Arches hotels in 2001, one in Zurich and the other in Lully. In addition to McDonald's-themed guest rooms, both Swiss properties had a 24-hour McDonald's located right outside the lobby. However, the venture did not succeed, and both hotels shuttered in 2003. The Smithsonian's Natural History Museum in Washington, D.C. sponsored the exhibition, Beyond Bollywood, Indian Americans Shaped the Nation, in 2014. Which highlighted the fact that Indian Americans control at least half of America's motels, with 70% of them hailing from Gujarat, India's northwest coast. 4. According to the Guinness Book of World Records, the world's tallest hotel debuted in February 2018 in Dubai. From ground to top, the Gavora Hotel is 356.33 meters or 1,169 feet tall, with 75 stories and 528 rooms. Five. There is a hotel for every type of guest, including those who prefer not to be hemmed in by walls. Null Stern, in the Swiss Alps, offers open-air guest rooms with nothing except mattresses and linens. The term Null Stern translates to no stars, which isn't a reference to the hotel's structural upkeep, but rather to the fact that the staff is totally focused on each individual client. Six. Sublimotion, the world's most expensive restaurant, opened in the Hard Rock Hotel Ibiza in 2014. Diners pay £1,500 for one of the 12 seats and are treated to 20 plates of molecular cuisine cooked by executive chef Paco Roncero, whose Madrid restaurant La Terraza del Casino has 2 Michelin stars. 7. According to Knight Frank's 2018 Wealth Report, London boasts more 5-star hotels than any other city in the world, with 75. Eight. There are 2 regions on the planet where finding a job in the hotel sector is nearly impossible. There are no hotels in Vatican City, the world's tiniest country. If you're searching for work in the hospitality industry in the area, you'll have to settle for Rome. There is only one hotel facility in Antarctica. Luxury Camp White Desert has only 6 suites and is only open in November and December. 9. Although renowned, American architect Frank Lloyd Wright created 6 hotels, only one is still standing today. In 1999, the Park Inn Hotel in Mason City, Iowa, finished a $18 million restoration that includes the nearby Wright Design City National Bank, which now serves as the hotel's ballroom. 10. Despite its location in the desert, Las Vegas' many hotels generate a lot of dirty clothes. Boyd Gaming constructed its own 100,000 square foot laundry facility in nearby Henderson in 2008, washing 75,000 pounds of linens and towels daily from its 12 Las Vegas properties. The environmentally friendly facilities use 1.7 gallons of water per pound of laundry and reduce greenhouse gas emissions by nearly 40% by using 27% less energy and 47% less natural gas than comparable facilities. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. Stay healthy and have fun. Thank you for watching and see you around.